and by far so far the biggest close yet, right?
By far the largest amount, total, yeah,
Total close.
value, total close for sure. I mean, and I've worked with some big dogs before, huge brands, political figures, famous people, and not knowing how to structure an offer, create something irresistibly, I wasn't able to hit those numbers, and I constantly had this mental barrier. The ceiling.
Been there,
So
done
thank you,
that,
Wes.
man. We've been there, done that. Been there, done that. It's so good, dude. It makes me
We're
happy.
stepping across the bridge for
I
sure. We're
can't
breaking.
Ethan,
Yeah.
just can you give a little testimonial to what we've done in the last, was it 2 weeks? Not even.
I mean, it's just incredible, like the pivot that you can make from going videographer mentality to structuring offers and closing deals as a video production agency. Nothing changed but the actual perspective and seeing truly the value that we bring. I mean, we're not starving artists. That's how we started, but like we offer something very valuable. And as entrepreneurs, as business owners, we understand not only how to articulate the necessity of what we offer, but how to make it irresistible. Sometimes the clients know what they want, but most of the times we know things that they're missing, that they're not picking up on. And so to be able to break it all down, to be able to structure some beautiful custom offer that's not just a invoice and a line item that's subject to price obligation, price objections, and all these different things. It's like we're no longer commoditizing what we offer, and it's pretty insane to see the how it all kind of comes together.
Like, what was your like in order to get through that mental barrier of like, man, that's a big number. How are they going to take that? Like, can you take us through a little bit of that? Take me through a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, it's just insane to like actually crush through that mental barrier of like, we're asking for someone's full-time salary for a single project. We can't do that. I'm 21, dog. I'm a college dropout. No, but actually, this is what we provide. This is what we've done for so many other clients. And here's what we're going to do for you. And it's like, there's nothing that there's no like valid, justifiable objection when it's all up here. I mean, it's funny. The most resistance is what we had in our own mind. Yeah, the client, it's pretty phenomenal to see, as long as we can articulate and break down the value, as long as the discrepancy between value and price is widened, then it's an immediate yes. And so it was definitely tough to ask for 5 figures. Like, I'd never done a project more than $7,000.